Now get this, the National Police Service has refuted claims that it is responsible for the cases of abductions witnessed in the country. Now speaking when he appeared before the National Assembly's Administration and Internal Security Committee, the Inspector General of Police, Douglas Kanja, defended the police, saying they conducted only lawful arrest. Catherine Imuraget starts us off.
Inspector General Douglas Kanja informed the committee that they have recorded 57 cases of missing persons. Of these, 6 people were found dead, 22 were located alive, and 29 remain unaccounted for. Kanja dismissed reports on social media alleging police involvement in abductions during the Gen Z-led protests in June and July, emphasizing that all actions were lawful arrests. He cited high-profile cases, including the arrests of Morara Kebaso, politician Jimmy Wanjigi, and journalist Macharia Gaitho, which he described as mischaracterized as kidnappings.
The investigation is ongoing, and we are hoping that to be in a place.
Responding to inquiries about university student Rita Waini's murder, Deputy Director of Criminal Investigations John Onyango stated that investigations continue. The police are also pursuing Collins Halusha Jumaisi, a suspect in the Quarry murders.
Police don't abduct, police don't kidnap. Police only arrests, and we detain in the law facilities, that is within police stations.
Onyango noted that the recent killings of Wells Fargo HR manager Willie Zayeko was a robbery case. Onyango also suggested that robbery may have been the motive in the killings of Mombasa taxi driver Victoria Mumboa. He identified Edwin Ngetich as the primary suspect, linking him to other murders and several vehicles owned by victims, some found dead and others alive. In response to a recent kidnapping case involving a ransom of 19 million shillings, Onyango confirmed that 2 suspects were arrested, one of whom is a police officer. Lawmakers questioned the delay in solving murder cases. Officers requested a closed session to discuss sensitive details, especially concerning the abductions of Delaware MCA Yusuf Hussein Ahmed in the industrial area. Catherine Imuraget, KTN News.